Imagine adding just a pinch of something to your daily routine that could transform your health in profound ways. Cinnamon, a spice that has been cherished for centuries, holds the secrets to remarkable health benefits. From ancient Ayurvedic traditions to cutting-edge scientific studies, cinnamon has been celebrated for its healing properties. But how exactly does it work, and why should you care? Stay with us as we uncover the top 6 health benefits of taking cinnamon every day, and why this simple habit could be the game changer your body needs. But before we jump right to it, kindly click that subscribe button, also smash that like button, and enable notification to stay connected with future updates. Number 1. Balances blood sugar levels. Cinnamon's ability to regulate blood sugar levels is nothing short of extraordinary. This natural spice helps improve the body's response to insulin, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Insulin is the hormone responsible for allowing glucose to enter your cells, where it is used for energy. However, insulin resistance, a condition where the body does not respond effectively to insulin, is increasingly common and a major factor in type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that cinnamon contains bioactive compounds, particularly cinnamaldehyde, which enhance insulin signaling pathways. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that individuals who consumed cinnamon every day experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels by as much as 29%. It also helps slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. Adding cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or blending it into your coffee can help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day while reducing the risk of long-term complications related to blood sugar imbalances. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is an exceptional source of powerful antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells and contribute to aging, chronic diseases, and other health issues. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, providing a protective shield against oxidative stress that could otherwise harm tissues and organs. In a comparative study of 26 spices, cinnamon ranked higher in antioxidant content than even garlic and oregano, both of which are widely recognized for their health benefits. These antioxidants not only protect cellular integrity, but also reduce the risk of developing heart disease and cancer. Including cinnamon in your meals adds a natural defense against the harmful effects of environmental pollutants, poor dietary habits, and everyday stressors. Whether it is sprinkled over baked goods or mixed into herbal teas, cinnamon's antioxidant properties work silently but effectively to protect your well-being. Number 3. Promotes heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but cinnamon offers a simple and natural way to protect your cardiovascular system. This spice has been found to lower low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while maintaining or even boosting high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, commonly referred to as good cholesterol. Balancing these markers reduces the risk of arterial blockages and related complications. Cinnamon also helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and preventing the stiffening of arteries. Improved blood flow means that your heart does not have to work as hard to pump blood throughout the body, which reduces strain on this vital organ. A study published in the Annals of Family Medicine revealed that consuming cinnamon consistently was associated with significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in adults with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Adding cinnamon to foods such as yogurt, roasted vegetables, or even savory sauces could help you support your cardiovascular health naturally and deliciously. Number 4. Fights inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to protect itself from injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can contribute to the development of diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and even certain forms of cancer. Cinnamon contains natural compounds, including cinnamaldehyde and eugenol, that help reduce inflammation and alleviate its harmful effects on the body. Research has shown that cinnamon inhibits the production of molecules known as cytokines, which are responsible for prolonging inflammation in the body. A study published in the journal Food and Function highlighted how cinnamon extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis, leading to decreased joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. By adding cinnamon to comforting dishes like soups or stews, you can take advantage of its anti-inflammatory properties while enjoying a warm and satisfying meal. For those experiencing muscle soreness or joint discomfort, cinnamon's soothing effects may offer a natural and holistic remedy. Number 5. Supports brain health and cognitive function. The brain benefits immensely from cinnamon's neuroprotective properties. This spice has shown promise in enhancing memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. One of its key mechanisms is its ability to reduce the buildup of tau proteins in the brain, which are closely linked to Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon also improves blood flow to the brain, ensuring that this vital organ receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. In animal studies, cinnamon has been found to delay the progression of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Its antioxidant properties combat oxidative stress in neural cells, which is a major contributor to cognitive decline. Starting your day with a warm drink flavored with cinnamon, such as herbal tea or coffee, can help support mental sharpness and protect your brain from age-related degeneration. This simple ritual can make a lasting difference in maintaining cognitive vitality throughout your life. Number 6. Supports digestive health. Cinnamon has been valued for centuries as a natural remedy for various digestive issues. This spice stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb essential nutrients. It is particularly effective in reducing bloating, cramping, and nausea, offering relief for those with sensitive stomachs or gastrointestinal discomfort. Research has shown that cinnamon promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut while inhibiting harmful pathogens. This balance is crucial for a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. A study published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that cinnamon helped reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain and irregular bowel movements, while improving overall gut motility. Adding cinnamon to baked fruits, warm cereals, or herbal infusions can provide comfort and nourishment for the digestive system, turning everyday meals into opportunities for better health. Cinnamon is far more than just a flavorful spice. It is a natural ally for your health. From stabilizing blood sugar to protecting your heart, brain, and gut, its benefits are as versatile as they are profound. Scientific research continues to uncover its healing potential, making it clear that this ancient remedy is as relevant as ever. By including just a small amount of cinnamon each day, you can support multiple aspects of your health and well-being. Why wait? Begin experiencing the life-enhancing power of cinnamon today, and let this timeless spice become a part of your journey to better health. If you have enjoyed this video, here are other amazing videos to watch next. Click on it, and I will see you there.